Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies Chapter 5 Organizing. In this video, we are learning about a comparison view or a difference between formal and informal organization. By the way, this is OBC online business class. If you still not subscribed, consider it. It means a lot for us. Okay, let's jump into the formal and informal differences. Before starting differences, I have a small condition. The condition is, before proceeding further, make sure that you watch the video series from 5.8 to 5.11 so that you'll understand better. Okay, let's start with a comparison. As usual, the difference between start from basis, we have a two category, that is formal organization and informal organization. So based on the meaning, formal organization is a structure of authority relationship created by the management, that is created by management. And in informal organization, network or social relationship arise out of interacting among employees, that is not created by the management. Make note of that. Origin. On the basis of origin, it arises as a result of company rules and policies. Formal organization arises from rules and policies. But in informal organization, it arises as a result of social interaction among the other members. So it arises from social interaction. Basis of authority, it arises because of the position in the management. The authority means power, so the power arises from the position of the management. In informal organization, it arises out of a personal qualities. So moving on to the basis of behavior. The behavior based on the formal organization is directed by the rules. As rules, they has to behave. But in informal organization, there is no set of behavior pattern because they create spontaneous behavior sometimes. So moving on to the next basis, that is flow of communication. Communication take place through the scale or chain. Scale or chain means one by one or one after the other, or that's a step or a process which usually start from top to bottom. That is a scale or chain, which you are studied in the second chapter, Principles of Management. This is one of our principles, scale or chain. So in an informal organization, flow of communication is not through the planned route. As per the structure, it is not going to happen. Because of it take place with any of the directions, so it's not going to happen as planned. On the basis of nature, it is rigid. Rigid means fixed or hard. It won't change because that is like that. It already fixed with policies and rules in a structure form, so it's not going to change. In informal organization, it is very flexible. It can be changed. The communication or interaction happen in any direction or any people or any employees in the organization. So the nature is flexible. Moving on to the next basis, leadership. Informal organization managers are the leaders because they create the rules or they orders to the subordinates, so they are the leaders there. In informal organization, leaders may or may not be managers. Sometimes it may be employees or a subordinate, a co-worker. It may happen in any manner, so they are chosen from the group members. This is difference between a formal and informal organization. If you find this video helpful, share it. Click here to watch the next series about the topic of delegation. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next series. Bye.